I'm Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco Academy, and I'm going to use this simple network to explore BPDU guard, Bridge Protocol Data Unit guard, or how to prevent rogue switches from joining your network. I've got a very simple switch network here. Spanning Tree has done all of its magic, and I've put an unconfigured PC in here as well. So I'm going to go into switch 0. Open it up, go to the CLI, everything's up, everything's hunky-dory, and I'm going to do a configure terminal, and I'm going to go switch interface range FA0/1 to 24. So you will notice that I've got the gigabit ports connected between the switches here, and I've got the ordinary fast Ethernet ports to connect to the devices. And I am going to do spanning tree, and then if you look you should be able to see BPDU, so BPDU guard, and I'm going to enable it, and then everything is fine because I've got a PC. So I'll do WR and then exit. So it's as simple as that. I've enabled Bridge Protocol Datagram Unit Guard across all of the ports. And then I'm just going to go over here and I am going to add what we're going to call a rogue switch. Okay, and I'm just going to use crossover cable. So now we've got auto MDIX, and I'm going to use FAS Ethernet 01 here, and I'm going to connect to port 24. And let's watch it negotiate. I'll move my mouse out of the way. And there you go, it's blocked. Yeah, it's blocked automatically, and that's because it's got a BPDU has come from the switch, and immediately my switch that I've configured has gone, oh no, I don't want that. I am going to automatically shut down that port, and we can actually see that it's been brought down. It's got the error messages telling me, the administrators, what's going on. However, if I get a PC now, which obviously won't set up a BPDU, and put that in on any port, it's coming up and we should be fine, and we'll see that. I'll do that there so we can see the orange light go to green, and this should do this within 30 seconds, but I'll fast forward for speed of the video. So BPDU guard, it's very simple. You put it on what you would consider to be interface ports, so that you don't have a rogue switch thrown in and immediately trying to do all of its magic. I mean, yeah, to prove a point, I haven't configured this over here on switch 2, where I could have easily have created a intercept. Obviously fast forward again, and that's joined. So that is an intentional blocking that has taken place. Simple as BPDU guard, you put on what you would consider to be ordinary interface or PC or server or whatever device ports that won't be sending BPDUs, so that if somebody's put a switch in that you didn't want there, the port will automatically shut down and warn you, and therefore you as the administrator can then manage the potential security breach. So hopefully you found this useful. I'm Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco Academy Support Center.